Hey everyone, welcome to this introduction on modding for Stellaris. If you're looking to get into modding for the game, it's great to know that you can do so with some amazing free tools. In this modding video tutorial, we'll go over essential software you'll need to start creating mods for Stellaris. And I'll give you a quick rundown of what each one does. I recommend downloading Krita, Paint.net, and Blender. I'll go over them. Also, good tools is like Notepad. Definitely have this. It'll come in handy for you for coding. And when I go through the 2025 tutorial, it'll be on Notepad. So once you get all of them downloaded, I have the links down below. We'll go on paint.net. Right here, you're going to click on paint.net to download. Once you download and install it, it's a great tool. It's going to show you how to, or not how, but it's going to view the images for you on DDS. So these are DDS, they're going to be a blank file. You can't view them without having some type of software that could view DDS. And these are DDS files, and the reason why they're DDS so they could be rendered in the game and animated. So once you got them downloaded, paint.net, we'll move on to Krita. You'll go ahead and download and install this one. And once you install this one and you run it, there's going to be two files you need, which will be DDS Importer and Exporter. So once you download this one from the zip 1.4 and this one 1.3, we'll first have to go to Krita. Krita. Go to Tools, go to Scripts, and then we want to import Python plugin from File. We'll go to the directory where it is. It looks something like this. So we'll just click on one of them, import or open, and then install it. Once you do that for the next one as well, you're still going to go to Tools, Scripts, and this is how you're going to import, and this is how you're going to export. When you export a DDS file, we want to use BC3 DXT5, this one. We don't need a MIP map unless you're working on 3D models and whatnot. You're going to need the MIP. We don't for Stellaris' portraits, TGA, PNG, whatever format you want. Just hit save, and then you're good to go for this one. Now for paint.net, same thing. You'll go save as, and it'd be something like this, DDS, hit save, and then BC3 linear DXT5. That's it. Hit OK, and it's good to go. Same thing, if it asks you for a generate, you can take that one off. It's just extra memory that you don't need for the portraits. Once you got those two downloaded, Krita's good to go. We're going to move on to Blender. Once you download and install Blender from this link, right here, 3.5, you got Mac, Windows, Linux as well. Once you download it, install it, run it, and there's going to be two files you want to download as well. I'll have them in a link. They're going to be direct links. We're going to have IO PDX Mesh Master and Polyquilt 1.3.1. These ones work for 3.5 perfectly fine. We could also upgrade to a 4 point something series since they finally have an update for it. But if we're just doing this for Stellaris, we don't need an update. We're not doing anything crazy where we need 4.2 technology major version of it. So Blender, there's no point. All the images, the effects and everything is very, very simple. Very minimum. We're just using Blender to animate the images. And that's it. So it's not anything too technical. So once you got that, those two files. We're going to go to Preferences from Edit, Preference. We're going to hit Install. You're going to find the files, the directories, and you should be able to click on both of them for this software to hit Install Addon. If this doesn't work this way, you're going to have to install one at a time. And that's it. That's the only tools I would recommend using for Stellaris is having Blender, Paint.net, Notepad++, and Krita. Those will get you started, and that's how you'll start modding. I'll have a huge tutorial guide on 2025 on the basic stuff, but for right now you can look at my 2024 guide. It'll still work. I'm just going to go a little more simple, and I'm going to be cutting out the videos to shorten the span of it. Thank you.